देखिए, all the genes alleles found in breeding population at a given time are collectively called the gene pool. चाहे जीन्स हो चाहे उनके एलाइज हो, मिलके इनको जीन पूल कहा जाता है. इट इज़ द टोटल जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन एंडेड इन द टोटल जीन्स इन ब्रीडिंग पॉपुलेशन एग्जिस्टिंग एट अ गिवन टाइम. फिर देखो, सबसे जो अच्छी इसकी एग्जाम्पल जो मेंडल ने ली थी, पी प्लांट are normally self-fertilizing, however could be cross-fertilized under control condition. The offspring of first parental generation P1 is called F1 or first filial generation. When both the alleles of gene independently express in heterozygotes, it is called condominance. Exit inequality from the phenotypic express of both the homozygotes. आगे बढ़ा है मैं. APO blood group system is encoded by a single polymorphic gene I present on chromosome 9. It has multiple alleles IA, IP and IE. Erythroblast is four tails refer to breakdown of RPS in a developing fetus due to Rh factor. Incorrectly, as a result, foetus become anemic and start releasing immature erythroblast into its blood system. The anemia may lead to abortion or stillbirth if the fetus continues to grow. Bilirubin, the breakdown product of RBC, accumulate and damage the brain cell of the fetus and cause jotitis. आगे कह रहे हैं when a single gene affects two or more traits, the phenomena is called pleiotropy, and such gene with multiple effect is called pleiotropic. For example, gene that affect growth rate in human also influence both weight and height. ठीक है जी, तो इनको हम क्या कहेंगे जी? प्लेटोपिक. When an effect caused by a gene or gene pair are one locus interfere with or hide the effect caused by another gene or gene pair at other locus, this phenomenon of gene interaction is called epistasis. For example, Bombay phenotype. The color of the eye in normal fruit fly is called wild type is bright red. A trait that exhibits continuous quantitative variation over a range of many phenotypes is called continuously varying trait. It is encoded by alleles of two or more different gene pair found at different loci, all influencing the same trait in an additive way. Therefore, these traits are called polygenic traits and their genes are known as polygenes. The common examples are skin color, height, weight, and intelligence in humans, and grain color in wheat. Human height is more complex polygenic trait. Many pairs of genes at different local control the trait. Even multiple alleles may be possible at each locus. More the number of alleles for shortness, the shorter of the height will be. If we plot a frequency diagram of height of human in a large population, a smooth bell-shaped normal distribution curve is produced. All the genes located on the same chromosome are linked to each other. The phenomenon of staying together of all the genes of a chromosome is called linkage, and such genes are called linked genes. Linkage reduces the chance of genetic recombination and variant among offspring.